Good evening, folks. Just as promised, I thought I'd do a video that shows the final build of my GMC Astro with the Allison turbine engine. So the cab is on, I got the tanks installed, got the big stacks on there. Cab went on with no issue. Got the license plate hanging from the front bumper there. All the wiper blades on there, the handles, all the goodies. She came out pretty well. What I am going to do though is I want to put some blue striping on the side. I think it would look good. I think it would complement it nicely. So let's go ahead and bring that cab down. And you can see there's that Allison, I think it's GT-404 or AT-404 turbine engine. You see it fits in there nice and snug. It complements pretty well in that frame. Yeah, there's the underside. And all the way down to the rear of the truck there. I think I mentioned on the build progress video that I used both sets of battery boxes on it, so yeah, I like it. It's all nice and even, nice and full. You can see the radiator for that fan for the air compressor, and there's your underside of your floorboard there for the cab. Your tanks. The tanks were a fight, especially the passenger one there, but I got it to where it would set. I got the glue to set, so yeah, that's pretty much it from bumper to bumper there. You see the left side there. There's the left side of the engine compartment. There's all your steps. I did put a couple of American flag decals and just, like I said, the front license plate. There's your intake right there up front where the radiator would be if it was a diesel. So I really like how that engine looks. For what it is, it's pretty detailed, but it's nice. I like it. I'm pretty impressed with this build. I did color the inside of the exhaust stacks a flat black, you know, for that soot look. So yeah, that's her all built up. Like I said, I'll hunt for some stripes, get them on there, and then probably at that point get the slideshow video done for it. All right, enjoy, folks.